Hi, today I'm with me DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to move this folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To give a name or rename it, just tap to edit name and enter for example, the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.